Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Taylor Swift. Taylor Alison Swift is a singer-songwriter born on December 13, 1989, in Pennsylvania. She grew up on a Christmas tree farm with her family. At age 9, she began taking vocal and acting lessons in New York City and shifted her focus to country music, inspired by Shania Twain and Faith Hill. At 12, she learned guitar from a computer repairman, Ronnie Kramer, and wrote her first song, Lucky You. In 2003, with a family friend's help, she modeled for Abercrombie & Fitch and had a song on a compilation CD, leading to meetings with major record labels. To support her music career, her family moved to Nashville when she was 14. She attended high school there and later transferred to Aaron Academy for homeschooling to accommodate her touring schedule, graduating a year early. Swift collaborated with songwriter Liz Rose and became the youngest artist signed by Sony Music but left at 14 to focus on her debut album. She caught the attention of Scott Borchetta at a showcase in 2005 and became one of the first signings of Big Machine Records. Her lead single, Tim McGraw, was released in June 2006, followed by her self-titled debut album in October, which peaked at number 5 on the Billboard 200. Swift's second album, Fearless, released on November 11, 2008, featured hits like Love Story and You Belong With Me. The album won multiple awards, including Album of the Year at the Grammys. She continued to gain recognition with her third album, Speak Now, released in 2010, which she wrote entirely by herself and debuted at number 1. In 2012, Swift released Red, incorporating new genres and achieving significant commercial success. Her fifth album, 1989, marked her official transition to pop and included hits like Shake It Off. The album was a massive success, leading to her highest-grossing tour. Swift faced public disputes over the ownership of her music, particularly with her former label Big Machine. In response, she began re-recording her early albums. Her eighth studio album, Folklore, released in July 2020, was created during the pandemic and received critical acclaim, winning her a Grammy for Album of the Year. Swift's ninth album, Evermore, followed in December 2020, and both albums marked a stylistic shift to indie folk and alternative rock. She continues to break records, including being the first artist to debut at the top of both the singles and albums charts simultaneously. In 2021, she began releasing re-recorded versions of her earlier work, starting with Fearless, Taylor's version, which debuted at number 1. Swift announced the re-recording of Red, set for release on November 19, 2021.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.